Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to study English alphabet. We study alphabet. So start together. Alphabets. A for apple. For apple. A for apple. B for ball. Ball. B for ball. C for cat. Cat. C for cat. D for dog. Dog. D for dog. E for elephant. Elephant. E for elephant. F for fish. Fish. F for fish. G for crabs. Crabs. G for crabs. H for house. House. H for house. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. J for joker. Joker. J for joker. K for king. King. K for king. L for lion. Lion. L for lion. M for monkey. Monkey. M for monkey. N for nest. Nest. N for nest. O for owl. O for owl. P for parrot. Parrot. P for parrot. Q for queen. Queen. Q for queen. R for rabbit. Rabbit. R for rabbit. S for sun. Sun. S for sun. T for tiger. Tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Umbrella. U for umbrella. V for violin. Violin. V for violin. W for watermelon. Watermelon. W for watermelon. X for Xmas. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Y for yak. Yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Zebra. Thank you very much everyone for watching this video. If you think this video is good, please subscribe this channel to see next video to learn more. Thank you.